Simple lang naman kung bakit hindi mo nakukuha yung gusto mong income eh. Your way of life is not aligned to your identity. Kung 1 million ang dream income mo, araw-araw maghahanap ka ng knowledge to earn that 1 million. Araw-araw, you will improve your skill to earn that 1 million. Araw-araw, you're excited about life. Earn that 1 million. Here's the thing, when you congruent, you will take action to earn that 1 million. Araw-araw. Will you make your 1 million? But can you say to my face right now, without even blinking, na ang kilos mo araw-araw nakabase sa dream income? Some of you yes, some of you no. Promise yourself, every single day, number one, when you said you're gonna do something, you will do it. Am I clear? Stop with your lack of knowledge. This is bullshit. Stop it with your no focus. It's your choice to not have focus. Stop with your fear of judgment. You're gonna be judged anyway. Stop with your fear of success. All of these things, until when will you